Hi everybody and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how I achieve these super easy everyday beach waves. These curls took me 10 minutes. I achieved this look in 10 minutes or less. So if you are in a crunch for time, if you need an easy hairdo for your workday, or you just want an easy hair curling routine, then keep watching and I'll show you how to achieve it. So this is my natural hair. I just washed my hair last night. I didn't put any product in it. And I just brushed my hair after I got out of the shower. And I just slept on wet hair and I woke up. And this is what I got the next morning. So I am just going to take my wide tooth comb and gently brush through my hair. After we brush our hair and we have all of the tangles out, go ahead and part your hair wherever you want to wear it that day. I'm just going to let my hair fall where it naturally wants to fall, right there. I'm just going to start taking about 1-inch sections or so, kind of like that. And my sections by my face, make sure you want to curl the pieces away from your face so that they frame your face. So taking my curling iron, I'm going about halfway down the hair shaft, and then I'm curling up towards my roots, leaving out this tail. And then I'm going to grab it down, not curling the ends of my hair. And then curl it back up. I do this for like 10 seconds or so, and then I just let it down. So that is your first curl. And don't touch your curls, let them cool, and then at the very end we can run our fingers through it and kind of have that more beachy wave. So halfway down the hair shaft, curl your hair up, leaving out your ends. Pull down just a little bit, curl back up, wait about 10 seconds or so, and release the hair. And I kind of pull through at the very end, and that straightens the hair on the end so it's not so crinkly. This is totally personal preference, but whenever I curl my hair and I want more of that beachy look, I will alternate the ways that I curl my hair. So my first front pieces were obviously away from my face, but this piece is the opposite direction. So I'll show you how I achieve that. So you can see how it curls the other way. So then this piece will be away from my face. This piece will be towards my face. So I take the clamp of the curling iron, facing it down, and then I curl this way. And then just keep curling your hair until your whole head is curled. Now that our head is completely curled, go ahead and take that wide tooth comb that we used earlier and gently brush through your curls. Make it a little piecey, a little messy. And then of course, to finish it off, I am using KRISTEN S Dry Finish Working Texture Spray. It's just a really good dry texturizing spray, and it gives your hair a lot of oomph and a lot of texture and a lot of volume. And I kind of like to smooth these front pieces out. And you can run a straightener through your hair if you want. I try not to put a lot of damage on my hair, especially after I just curled my hair. So usually I will just take my hands and kind of smooth those pieces out. So yeah, I hope you all enjoyed this video, this little hair tutorial. If you'd like to see more content like this, please give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I will see you all next time. Bye!